Okay, we're back on Feral, and we are looking for Hat Stay Out quest, or I'm pretty sure it's Lake Route. So, we're gonna ask you a favor today, and I'm really tired. I might be getting a headache, so sorry for the lack of energy. I think this is a sketch. Yep. Cool beans. If this is twine over here, then I need it. No, that's in the... Oh, it is twine. Okay. 1 twine. We only have 2 lockpicks. Let's grab this fish. So I just did a trade. I just did a trade. Why can't I talk? Do I need scales? I feel like someone else did. Yeah, I do. But I only need like 7, so I'm good on that. Double string. Let's see if we can get this picked. There's only 2. Boom, bang, bing, bong. Bing, bing, bong. Oh, snap. Got it. We need to find more lockpicks before I try anything else crazy. Carnation koi. Give me a rare. Give me a standard fish. Oh, just another scale. Oh, come on, dude. Alright, where do I need to go for this? Even in the right area? No. How you about to spawn a waystone right here? Now we're in the right area, but now we're looking for a stone. So let's try to get this knocked out of the way. I feel like it's harder in the Lake Route. Rare. We got one more. Come on, I can't go through the wall. There it is. Lockpick. No. Alright, cool. I thought I got locked. Have I been down here? Oh boy. There's another chest. I feel like there's... some type of sketch. Maybe I have them here. I don't remember how to get back there. But we gotta get back to the beginning. Did I end up in a whole other area? To the right, Jedediah! I think they said the fog is glitched here, unfortunately. I don't feel like reading through these. Thank you for offering to get me out of this funk. Find the ant. I think it's all the way up. Yeah. There's a sketch up here too. Maybe it used to be a gold chest. There's a lockpick. Really? You know what? I started a new medication. That's probably why I'm feeling sick. Ingredients. I hope they can fix the fog. Could that be what I think it is? Stupendous. Let me award you with the most tremendous. That's actually pretty good. I didn't know they sang. I might have, but I think it's just funny singing it the same way we would, like bam ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum bum bum. I like the little lizard guys. Forget what they're called. I just like this game. Statute of Limitations. So, where's the bird module? Whatever his name is. Bum ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum bum bum. keep this spot outside town. Not that map. Oh, I picked the right one. We're on a lockpick hunt before we open any more chests. This is the dude I need. Oi! Oh! What, you've never seen a talking statue before? Maybe you sparky onions would be more familiar with the history of magic. You didn't have such short attention spans these days. It's all quick enchantments and short spellbooks now instead of slow, ancient rituals and long handwritten scrolls like in the good old days. I wonder how many centuries ago the good old days were exactly. So how about you make yourself useful and go find the magic amulet that I lost 200 years ago? Put it back and you'll find yourself handsomely rewarded. You kids still like rewards nowadays, don't you? Or has everything changed? Who knows, maybe the magic amulet will make this guy a little less cranky. It's worth a shot. It's like under the water or something, I think. Actually, take me back over there. Get this daylight erudite. Lights. His grill rings on top. And there's plants. Bada bang, bada boom. Bada bing. Skull shards. Now we can go look for this magical amulet. I still can't believe I'm playing this again. But that's kind of stuck to start all over. Gotta switch it up. I did see that red chest, I'm just not doing it right now. See, the tricky part about this is I remember it's in the water by a tree, which is this whole place. Or it's by a rock. Okay. Hello there. Now we'll get that chest. My head hurts. And the caffeine's not helping. Really? The game's probably not helping either, but you know, it's still fun. Bart Matthew. Bart. Barty Bart. Beast statue, I guess. I swear he had a name. You found it! Perhaps young folk aren't as bad as you ought to be. I have to tell everyone about this right now, the old-fashioned way. You better believe it. Ferocious, ferocious. He's chanting in a language that seems to be early feral dialect. Perhaps the earliest one there is. It seems like he has burnt all nearby birds that you're a commendable youngster who's good at doing favors. You must have really impressed him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's see what this Tundra quest is. Blood for blood. I did a daily quest. I don't think they give you anything. I know they were not supposed to be star fragments, but I was hoping for like... I don't remember what they gave you before. Honestly. Experience, maybe. Guides, accessories, and sanctuary items. Well, why? Said there was only one per. But the Tundra has two. Oh. They turned one of the quest things into a daily thing you could do. Look at my face. Hello there, I see you're passing through. Seems like children go missing here all the time. Yeah, haven't we been through this? Oh no, trail of blood. I'm scared of veterans too. Oh yeah, the blood trail. I vaguely remember this. Whoop. Nope. Too far. Don't we have to go back in the maze again? Because he's in the cave or something. Oh, maybe not. He's in the tree. Butterfly. What a coincidence. Yes, I need ya. One butterfly. What's this? Lockpick. Is there any more actual butterflies? Nope, here's Dan with his friend. What's with your face? Never seen a kid in his beautiful butterfly? Oh yeah, I found this guy wandering around sprinkling blood by my house. That's probably what you saw, but don't worry, he became my best bloody. Oh yeah, do we get bloody? Took him to this butterfly meadow. You can tell he's happy. Me and my best bloody are good. Wasn't there a bloody item we got for this quest? I gotta see if I'm crazy. 3. What was that quest called? It's not gonna tell me. Oh, it's in... Hold up. Huh. You took 40. I'm gonna capture this. I totally forgot you could do that. And it gives you an enigma, right? I think you can only do that during the quest. Oh no, it just gives you the ingredient. Anyway, where does that take us? Brenda's Reckoning. Let's do some lockpick hunting. And let's do it in the tundra, because why not? You just run around. The stained wing. Bone needles. Frosted leaves. Two more dust petals. Good bean stuff. So that's one thing I'm actively looking for. Now I should have 21. Let's head over here. Get some light. And some pigment, I guess. Boop, 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 boop. Whoa. I think I just need 4 more of those. Oh, we're at the tree now. See if we can do a blue chest with what we got. 1, 2, go, go. Okay, they're getting smaller but slower. We can do it, and let's see what the next one has. Alright, not too bad. Doable, which means it's probably going to be like ingredients. Maybe, I don't know if we can get lockpicks. Yep, beautiful bells. I have a lot of those. Ding! I feel like I was looking at something that needed themer. I'm not sure. I didn't write it down, so I must not have wanted it too bad. Look, we found another player. They stopped to admire me as well. Lockpicks blend in a bit, but you just have to know how to look for them in the tundra. Gotta be an experienced player. Oh, that's the same one we were just at. Oh, here we go. This takes you over to the skull. I think I got all the serpent skin I need, even though there's no serpent skin by the skull, I don't think. Do I need anything else from the tundra? Butterflies, dust petals. I've got all the bone needles I need. I've got my slate flake. I think it's just butterflies and dust petals. Let's get some of this. Well, we can go see if I can craft anything, and then we'll probably end this because I think I'm getting up on 30. Or I passed it. Oh, yeah. I can do a quick check pick. There's a gold chest. We ain't ready for that right now. I'm gonna have more than 5 lockpicks for one of those. Got another blue chest. Why do lockpicks seem scarce as I find one? And some dust petals. Alright, we'll do the blue. Ooh, this one might give something decent, like star fragments. And a 1 and a 2. Sip of the coffee. Ooh, look at it go. Slow it down. And go. Oh, I was right. I called it. How am I up to 189 star fragments when I had 2 at the start of this video? Did I really find that many? The cause for a celebration. I think we can attempt this. I might be getting a little too ahead of myself, but it'll disappear. Whoa. First one down. Go for the next. Whoa. 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 Maybe I just have to be enthusiastic about it and go. Alright. Don't get too excited. Let it go past a couple times. Get to know the chest. Oh, we got it. And I didn't break one. What is it gonna give me? 10 more star fragments. That's it. Seriously? Oh, that's good though. Then we can spend them, or apparently you can trade them. Alright, I was gonna check out what I can craft. But I don't know if you can. I swear I crafted 2 of these. And it's not. You're supposed to be able to have multiples. Because I usually craft 1 to have normal and 1 so I can dye it. I don't know. At least that's what I did before. Or I like to get multiples so I can trade. See, because it took the ingredients, but did it give me a second? It did that time. It must have just been a glitch. I don't know why I put my phone off to the side. I need to know what I'm looking at. Alright, so I have my somber, and I have my dark shard lantern. And the shimmer sword I'm looking for in the chest, and so is the witch hat. My laurel crown I need in the chest. Back buddy I need another sketch for. If the quest is there. Tail wrap is the chest. Flower brooch or flower bands. I got the bands. Tassel earring is most likely not in the game. Vineyard earring. Oh, I can craft them. Wait, I think I already crafted them. I did. Ghost shackle. I think. Oh, that's what I needed. I need 2. I have enough for 2. It didn't like pop up. Alright, I got them. So let's go back in here. So I got both those I needed. Sleep. I can take off my list. Go to Mirrorfish. And bone needles. Alright, what's next? Head serpents. I still need the butterflies for that one. I don't have Vex Rat Buddy yet, but I have the Nightmare Buddy. I'm not sure which one I want to use for that outfit yet. Unfortunately, Daunting Amulet seems to not be in the game. I might try to use the Nightmare Amulet for that. And then the Astral Tail. Do I have that? Yeah, I need cicadas. What did I need Twinkle and Twine for? I have written down that I need Twinkle and Twine, Broad Wing, Dusk Petals. Oh, that's for the Vex Rat Buddy, I think. So we crafted some stuff, completed some quests, found some lockpicks, did some chests, and I don't know, maybe I'll make another video, but I need to end this one because nobody wants to watch hour-long videos, so bye, and thanks for sticking around. Don't we have emotes? Bye, see you next time.